Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install ChatGPT Atlas on your Mac. The process is quick and simple, so let's get started. First, open Google and search for Atlas Browser. From the results, select the option titled Introducing ChatGPT Atlas. Once you're on the page, click on the Download button for macOS. After the download begins, you'll see the file appear in your browser's top right corner. When it finishes, click the Downloads icon and open the file. A window will appear. Just drag the ChatGPT Atlas icon into your Applications folder. Once that's done, you can close the window. Next, go to the top right corner of your screen and click the search icon, then type ChatGPT and press Enter. When ChatGPT Atlas appears in the results, open it and select Login with ChatGPT. From there, you can sign in using your Google account or enter your email to create a new account. And that's all it takes to download and install ChatGPT Atlas on your Mac. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. Allah Hafiz!